India is a land of spirituality and mysticism, home to some of the most ancient and awe-inspiring temples in the world. Beyond the famous ones like the Golden Temple or Meenakshi Temple, there are hidden mystical temples with fascinating stories and unique architecture. Let's uncover these secret spiritual treasures. Lepakshi Temple, Andhra Pradesh. Famous for its hanging pillar, this Vijayanagara era temple is an architectural marvel and a treasure trove of intricate carvings. 1. Highlights: hanging pillar, Nandi statue, and fresco paintings. 2. Best time to visit: October to February. Vidyashankara Temple, Karnataka. Located in Sringeri, this temple blends Hoysala and Dravidian architecture. It also serves as an astronomical observatory. 1. Highlights: zodiac-inspired pillars and astronomical precision. 2. Best time to visit: November to May. Kamakhya Temple, Assam. One of the most powerful Shakti Peethas, Kamakhya Temple is known for its unique worship practices and mystical aura. 1. Highlights: celebrates womanhood and fertility, Ambubachi Mela. 2. Best time to visit: October to May. Modhera Sun Temple, Gujarat. Dedicated to the sun god, this 11th century temple is known for its symmetrical design and stunning stepwell. 1. Highlights: intricate carvings and alignment with solar equinox. 2. Best time to visit: October to March. Karni Mata Temple, Rajasthan. Also called the Temple of Rats, this temple is home to thousands of rats believed to be sacred. 1. Highlights: unique rat worship and fascinating legends. 2. Best time to visit: October to March. Veerbhadra Temple, Karnataka. This temple in Lepakshi features stunning frescoes and the world's largest monolithic Nandi. 1. Highlights: hanging pillar and exquisite murals. 2. Best time to visit: November to February. Meenakshi Temple, Tamil Nadu. Though famous, its mystical aspects often go unnoticed. The temple's 1,000-pillar hall and precise architectural alignment amaze visitors. 1. Highlights: intricate carvings and mythological significance. 2. Best time to visit: October to March. Brihadishwara Temple, Tamil Nadu. Built by Raja Raja Chola, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is an architectural and spiritual masterpiece. 1. Highlights: shadowless temple dome and massive Nandi statue. 2. Best time to visit: October to March. Pet Dwarka Temple, Gujarat. Located on an island, Bet Dwarka is said to be the original residence of Lord Krishna. The temple offers an enchanting view of the Arabian Sea. 1. Highlights: scenic location and spiritual significance. 2. Best time to visit: October to March. Tungnath Temple, Uttarakhand. The highest Shiva temple in the world, Tungnath is located in the Garhwal Himalayas and offers mesmerizing views. 1. Highlights: stunning Himalayan backdrop and spiritual serenity. 2. Best time to visit: April to November. Why choose Jagrati Travel Solutions? At Jagrati Travel Solutions, we specialize in organizing spiritual tours to these mystical temples, ensuring a hassle-free and enriching experience. Explore the unknown and immerse yourself in the divine with us.